There is a bird somewhere in a white person's home. I'm not talking about a physical bird. I'm talking about sculptures, little figurines, paintings, just decor, bird decor. I've been in enough white people's homes to know that there's probably a metal steel chicken sculpture on top of the china cabinet. There's a mallard. There's a mallard duck somewhere, maybe next to that chicken. There's a painting of seagulls somewhere. Especially if they're upper middle class, they have a beach themed bathroom with a seagull painting in it. 100% certain of it. And there's just, the birds are everywhere. Once I was in this guy's home who's white, and he was staying at his aunt's, and I was like, there's a lot of birds here. And he said, no, there really isn't. I was like, no, there's a lot of bird decor. And we counted 47 individual birds